Hey guys, Leslie here. Finally getting around to doing my Willowway sticker haul. Make sure you support their shop they have their own website, I believe. So you can go to Willowway stickers. I'll link it in the description box below. You guys know I will. Okay, so I did not keep my piece of paper that came with my order that tells me what I ordered. I don't think I did. No. The packaging was cute though and had this little sticker on it. And I don't know what I did with my order sheet, so oh well. All right, so I think these were like the add-ons or freebies or something. I think I added these on. They're the date covers and like some functional boxes and weekend banners, which are fun. So I ordered this one. It says Kit 83. I don't remember what the kit name was. I wanted it for pumpkin spice. You guys know I already have like my pumpkin spice clips done and ready to go. So I'm excited to do this kit. I've never used her kits before. I've used her stickers before, but never used her kits. Here's the full boxes. It says Fall Breeze, Autumn Leaves, Coffee Please. So adorable. And then there's washi strips along the edge here. And then this one has the functional checklist boxes. Look at the little like decorative corner pieces. I'm excited about that. I've never used those before. And then more washi. So this kit is washi heavy. If you're like, I don't have any washi, her kits are going to provide that for you. All right, here's our date dots and date covers for this kit and some half boxes and quarter boxes. Love that one so much. So that's our pumpkin spice kit. This is kit 86. I don't remember the kit names. This had kind of like those, I don't know what you want to call this style. I just liked it. I like the geometric like shapes and things, and the colors were very fall. So I don't know when I'm going to use this. I just know I liked it. I like her little deco stickers here too, the little functional deco stickers. And the arrows are fun. I don't know about you, but sometimes I mess up in my spread, and I'm like, can I just put an arrow? So now I'll have some. Because look how fun those are. And the colors, the yellow and the brown, love that. And then we have our decorative full box checklist over here. Once again, pointing out the washi on the side. And then look at the chunks of like torn paper. That's really good for like junk journal style planner girls. And then the washi tape sheet that goes with it. And then we have our date covers and some more washi tapes and date dots and half boxes. And there is a rescheduled and canceled as well if you're not wanting to use the arrows. All right, I ordered a monthly kit. Can you believe it? Who is this? Me. Okay, so she had this one where you could just order like the one sheet. And I was like, okay, that's perfect because I don't necessarily need all the things. I just like to decorate it. So sometimes I use my monthly spreads as super functional. Sometimes I just want them decorated. So that's what I'm going with. And I really liked how pink this was too for like breast cancer awareness and also Halloween is kind of what I was getting out of this one. And then I also ordered September. In September, we are like a weekend. So I need to get this plan with me done. But is this a full plan with me? I'm just like laying down stickers. I might just put it down and then show it to you guys later. So there's September with all of the pumpkins. Adorable. I ordered a full sheet of no school stickers. I realized I'm running out of them. And because I put that in my personal happy planner and my school planner, I tend to run out of them. Look at all of these planner time stickers. Love how much you get when you order script stickers from her shop. Let's do a little sticker test, shall we? Yep. Cut perfect. Love it. Oh, and then this is like a little washi strip right here. I think some people punch right here and put it in like a binder or something. All right, some payday stickers. I feel like I needed these because I'm starting to get paid a different way now through my job. I was getting paid once a month, and now we're getting paid every 2 weeks. And then my husband is getting paid every 2 weeks, so we're trying to learn how to rebudget finances. So I thought these would come in handy. And then it's like you got to throw in like the occasional YouTube payday and then the Etsy payday. Like it just gets kind of complicated. So I need to make sure I'm marking that. And then this one, okay, so it kind of looks like it's for travel. I just use these for when I go get gas. Like I hate getting gas. So if I can give myself a sticker for getting gas, then I'm going to do it. So it has all the colors except for the color of my car. My car's gray. Okay, and then we have Willowway. I had to get the laundry stickers because you guys know I made my laundry clip, which I'm like, where is that? Where is that? I'm like scanning. I'm not seeing it. And I know I definitely pushed it out of my way like just a minute ago. What am I doing? There it is. I made a laundry basket paper clip. It looks very similar. So that was kind of funny. I was like, all right, cool. Oh, there's my sheet of what I ordered. Isn't this fun? Okay, so yeah, kit 86. Oh, it doesn't tell me how much it was, each one. Yeah, and then there's Planner Time script stickers. That's not custom. You just pick your font, though. And then the laundry icons, car icons, all that stuff. And then, yeah, I ordered from willowwaystickers.com is what I ordered from. So there you go. That is what I ordered. I've got some functional sheets here that I need to add to some of my planners. I just keep them in there. And then I need to go ahead and lay down my September for sure. So let me know if you buy monthly kits or if you buy weekly kits or if you're just like, nope, just a little functional stickers and some washi tape. I would love to know what kind of planning style you are using right now. That would be really fun to know in the comments below. I'm like slowly flipping through my stickers again. So I got 2 full kits and then I got 2 monthly kits. Yeah. That's awesome. I'm excited. I haven't really flipped through these yet. I'm like, I got them. I spread them out and took a picture of them, and then I put them away until I had time to film. So these must be freebies then, because I don't remember seeing that. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if there's other shops I need to be trying out as well. I would love to know. And then she also includes this like cute little business card too. Yeah. And she's like, please make sure you share on social media. I always do, because I have a channel. All right, thank you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!